Hello guys, and welcome back to AMNOW Tech. In today's video I'm going to show you how to download Windows 11, the latest version 24H2. Without further delay, let's get started. To download it, just open your favorite browser, as I have opened my browser, and type in Windows 11 ISO download. Once you search Windows 11 ISO download, this will give you the official link for Microsoft Windows, so just click on that as it leads you to the official website for Microsoft. Now you can see at the top here we have download Windows 11, and you can see the current version release. At this time we are making this video is 24H2. That is the latest version. Now on this page, Microsoft has given us three options. As you can see, we have the Windows 11 Assistant tool installation, we have the create media installation, and then we have the download the ISO image. Now here, if you want to download the ISO image direct, you just select that, the Windows 11 edition, and then click on download. But we are not going to be using that. We are going to use the media creation tool, so as we are going to download it now, so just download. Right, so as it has downloaded, so just open where it is located, and this is the file, so just open that. Once you open it, just click on yes to accept it. So let's minimize these pages as the media creation tool is running at the background, so we will minimize this and just wait for it to get started. So as it loads finish, you just read the license and agreement. Once you read them and understand them, so you go to accept. After accepting the license and agreement, you now select your language, and below here you can see use the recommended option for my PC, but I'm not going to use that, which for your side you might want to select a different region or a different country. So but in my case I'll just leave it on United States and then click on next. And here you have USB drive and ISO. USB drive, if you select the USB drive, that is, you have a pen drive which you want to slot in and then just create a bootable direct. But in our case we need the ISO file, so we select the ISO file here and then click on next as the file. So now here we select our destination where we want to save the file. Now you can change the name to whatever that you want, but in my case I'm going to use it as Windows 11. So now click on save and just wait on it to load finish. As it is downloading, you can see on the page the progress is now on 0%. So I'll speed up the video in order for the video not to be too long. So right, now that our file is downloaded, so let's just click to open where the file is, the file destination. Click on that, and as you can see, this is the ISO image. So this ISO image, you can use it on at any time, at anywhere you want, and that is the latest version for Windows 11 24H2 at this current version, that is the 2024 version. So guys, that is just how easy and simple it is to download the latest version for Windows 11 ISO file, which you can use to install Windows on any PC. So guys, if this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like. This video on your screen is the Windows that I've used to install on the VirtualBox, so you can check it out to see, and don't forget to subscribe. So we'll see you on our next video. Peace out.